Hey Stampin' friends, Darlene with Darlene Stamps. Thanks for joining me. I'm glad you found my channel or are one of my also loyal subscribers. So I am tackling the February because it's taken me a little while to get my head around the idea of this kit. I do try to stay involved with the kits no matter what they are so I can recreate them. So I'm going to show you some recreations since the little monkey and the gazelle and the elephant are a bit odd, but that's okay because I got lots of ideas. So let me show you those. So first I do try to kind of disassemble all the pieces. And so this is all of the leaves and little things that I popped out. And so I have the negatives. These will become my negatives that I'll use as templates. So we'll do that sample in a minute. And then these, because what I'm going to be doing is going to be mass production, I needed more of these. So what I did was I put them on my copier. And these are all of my pages, that I have pages and pages and pages of these leaves. So then the second part of my disassembling is the envelopes. So these are the card bases. And normally what they suggest you do is they want you to fold them and then you have a full card. But I can get 2 cards from these, right? So I have those I will disassemble. And then of course these are my envelopes. Easiest way is to do a little hairline cut here and a hairline cut here. That opens this up. So I'll come back and have these all pre-cut. All right, so I've got all my envelopes. I got all of my cardstock all cut down to my little scraps and my pieces. Let me just show you what I've done and kind of make it brief and show you some tips. So with the cards, you know that I try to utilize the inside. So I took one of the card bases and the new Ladybug Builder Punch. So I have cut those out. And so let me just show you before I get into the design. Let me just show you what I did. I took the Ladybug pieces and did kind of a black base. I took the vellum and I did the embossing on it. Kind of makes it pop a little bit. And then this basically is the Ladybug that I took. Example, here's the pieces, and all I did was just flip over the piece and made that white. So that's what I did with this, and just use the pieces that are in there. So that's my layer. So here is my layer here, and then I have taken some regular white, and I've used my scoreboard, and I've done get my piece in there. There we go. So here is my valley and here is my mountain, and so I've just taken the bottom part of this and just did 4 quarter strips on the scoreboard. And so this, for example, is what I did with the white piece. You can see here's my score. There's my little gazelle and the leaves. And then I like using the polymer and making it kind of dance. So that's one of my designs. But I took the, so taking this white, and I am just going to pop it right here in the middle, which covers, obviously, my all my punches. And you know, this kit came kind of late, and so you know, we have choices, right? We have choices of just being negative, going, oh, I haven't gotten it, I can't do this, can't do this, you know. And I just decided that I like to nourish my soul. That means take positive things, bring them in, and helping other people. So that's what I'm doing. And so I'm just going to build this. Let me just give you kind of an idea how I do it. If you ever get a chance, the hexagon punch, this is a retired one, but Michael's, Hobby Lobby, even some from Amazon, but it just makes that banner really nice and sharp. So it lives on my desk. So I kind of want to put a piece on here, and I'm building. Now these are just pieces from the kit, so I'm staying in the same color scheme, and put that in there. And then I thought this idea, and I kind of tried to mimic it a little bit, but I took the little elephant and made it a little less cartoony, and I cut all of the white part out. It's kind of like, I'll give you kind of an idea. So here's kind of with the white and without the white. And then I put a little pearls around her and a little skirt. So that's kind of my theme, but she's going to go kind of right there. But I also want to put some leaves in here. So let me get some leaves in here. And, you know, now that it's 2 months after this actually came out, I had to decide whether or not I wanted to even do this kit. But I thought, you know, that's part of what this channel is. My channel, I've decided that my niche is putting together alternates so that, you know, when we get these quirky kind of kits, sometimes they come with the not very popular popular types of, like the oh, for Pete's sake, the treat boxes. There we go. You know, sometimes it just happens where it's not exactly what we were hoping for, but the designs, it's awesome. All right, and then I have I pick you every time. This is the stamp set for Sentiment from the Harvest Haunts Paper Pumpkin Kit September last year. I just liked the theme, and because I've got my green in here, I'm going to use the Pear Pizzazz. That's one of the colors in here, and we will just, it's kind of small, so it'll fit right up here. I normally try to stamp before I glue it down, but I wanted to show you this. So, and then, so here's kind of the end result. Kind of taking that that elephant and making her a little bit more popped up with the dimensions, and then I want to give her a little bit of personality. So I'm going to put some little, you see her little eyelashes on there? Anyhow. So, and then let me see, one other idea. I took the little monkey, kind of weird monkey, did the leaves on there, but definitely embossed that vellum, makes it pop a little bit. And then I cut him out again. I took the little cartoony part, white part away, and then have the holding the sign over his head. So that's one of those. And then one last one is just using the linen thread that we have and the leaves and the background. So I hope you enjoyed that. It was really quick, trying to kind of put things together and put some type of ideas together where you can utilize this kit in all sorts of ways. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Look forward to the next time we meet. Bye for now.